Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video today. There's not really a lot of reading. We introduced you to the sample HTML code in the last video when we were introducing you to Beautiful Soup and what it could do. And in this video, we're going to show you how the tags work and how you can work with the tags, going deeper into the nest or coming out to the surface. Same thing with the analogy with the scope. You know, you got the house, you got the basement, and then you get the rooms in the basement, okay? And in HTML, the house has two rooms. It's got the header part, and then it's got what they call the body, okay? Those are the two parts. And the top part is just, management stuff. Hey, this is what the program does. This is, it's got some metadata in that. And then it's the body of the HTML code. That's where all the fun really happens. And then, there are all these little elements, in that body. Like every little freaking object in that website has a freaking tag, and the code for it is buried in that tag. So you need to be able to get in to the room and come out of the room and, navigate. All right. So like, for instance, here's some sample codes. Okay. And what you can do once you get in the room, because you're like, hey, what's in the room? What kind of furniture they got? Right? Well, what's the name? What's the string? Do you see what I'm saying? And then you can also like find stuff. It'll search through everything and find. Anyway, the bottom line is let's just go ahead and get out of the documentation and get over to the code and then run the code, and then we can look at the output of the code, and that's where the gravy is on this video. All right, and with that, let's go ahead and wander off to the code. And here we are in the code. Here's the sample document here, right? And there's the beautiful soup where we're creating the beautiful soup object, right? And we're telling them what freaking key to use and what the input is. And then we start playing with the code. All right, all right, let's go like title. What are they talking about when they go title? Okay, this is the title tag. Okay, what did I call it? Did I call this the freaking header or the top? Anyway, so here's the header part. It's the top part, and here's the body. Where's the? Oh, that's weird. I can't find the freaking part that closes the body. It's got to be in here somewhere. Oh my God, this shouldn't work. But it does. Anyway, the point is that maybe you don't need the freaking. Anyway, the point is then inside the body, you got the title. That's its own little object. And look, inside the P, there's A's. Okay, which are links to the different little sisters, right? So with that, and then I got all these examples of how we're going to navigate through that stuff, okay, and what you can do. This is just the beginning. There's probably over 100 different freaking commands that we can use or functions in Beautiful Soup to help you manage this HTML code, and we're going to learn all of them, okay, because we have to. And with that said, let's go wander off to the output. And here we are in the output. We created our object. See what's in the title? There's the whole thing, right? What's the name of the? Oh, it's the title. What's inside the title? The string. Who's who's above the title? Who's the title's boss? The header is, right? Now let's go to the body. What's in the body? Look, there's 1, 2, 3 P's in there, and one of those P's has a bunch of A's under it. Isn't that interesting? All right, okay. So here we do with our commands. Oh, I should have done the commands, but here's where like, hey, what's the class say in the P? You know, what's it say in the A? See all this stuff? Oh, what's the href say in the class sister? Show me all the references to the HTTP, right? See all this stuff? Let's show me all the text that's in this code. And this is just the beginning. And with that, we're done for this video. Go out, have some fun, try not to get in too much trouble, and we'll see you in the next video.